Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to create faceless YouTube videos using AI. First, you'll need to gather your ideas and script carefully. Now let's dive into what faceless videos are. These are clips created without filming yourself, typically featuring no personal face, just engaging visuals and audio. They use audio narration and background visuals, along with subtitles. Step 1. Let's discuss what we really need to do to get started effectively. Now let's focus on preparing your script by writing a short text related to your video topic, ensuring it's engaging and clear. As you explore fascinating historical facts, consider what you're sharing in your video. Are you inspiring someone to take action or learn more? Now let's move to step 2. You need to create audio narration. To do this effectively, simply enter the video platform and begin. You can add your video or photo. It doesn't really matter. What's important is to focus on what you're creating, whether it's a video or just an image. Now, as you can see here, after adding your photo where you share something, you must click on the text option next. Now, let's move on to the next step. Carefully add text and write an engaging first word that will set the tone for your video, capturing your audience's attention. Let's say this word will be it, and then click OK. If you find it uncomfortable to type the words, you can simply use voice input instead. Now, as you can see here, to add standard auto-generated subtitles, simply click on the Generate button, and subtitles will be created for you. To enhance your video, click on the text option, then select Edit Text. Here you can remove any unnecessary elements to improve clarity and engagement. Different voices that you will absolutely enjoy. Simply click this option, and as you can see here, everything will be loaded successfully. Now that you've listened, what will you do next? After creating your voice, you must carefully proceed with the next steps. Now let's move to adding videos or images. You can use your own regular photos or visuals to enhance your content effectively. You can even create everything after this step. Then you add music, and that's it. Now, let's wrap it up. Thank you for watching. Good luck to all. Goodbye.